Okay, so we will try to understand somewhat methods of the sets. Okay, now we will summarize methods of sets. Okay, so we will summarize the methods. Okay, already we have studied many methods since since I have started the classes over sets. Okay, so first method, that is what add method. Okay, add method means I told you that bracket. Okay, method or function both must have these parentheses. What is the difference between method and function? Method will be accessed either creating the object name, otherwise class name with the dot operator. Okay, so let us see add method. So these two sets are here, set 1, set 2. So add method will be used to add these two sets. Okay, let us see. Okay, set, you write set, one more set, set 4. So that will that will hold these values of these two sets. Okay, now set 1 dot add. You simply put dot add operator. See this the add method. This is the add method. Okay, add of what? Add of set 2. Set 2. So now let us see what happened. You print, ask for print set 4. Okay, so we were discussing about some methods of sets. The first is that add method. Okay, as I told you that add method, I have written the code like this. Okay, two sets are there. Set 1, set 2. So set 1 dot add method. Within the method, I have given the set 2 as a parameter. So, so here, whatever we are doing, so it is not workable. So add method used to add an item to a set. Okay. So add method used to add an item to set. Suppose this is what set 1. If I want to add some word item next of this 10.5, so I need to use here. Okay. I need to use like what this hash print set 1. Okay. Dot add next element. Okay. Whatever the value you want to add, 79. So now what happened? This 79 value, integer value added to this set 1. After 10.5, 79 will be placed. But sets are unordered. So it doesn't mean it will be added at the end. So let us see. So next is what print set 1 dot. Okay. Now if you run this code, you will get none. Why none? We are not getting. So we are getting none. Understood that? None means here I have, whenever you get the none means, suppose if you have used the print statement, okay, that moment none means you remove this, okay, print first you add some item. Now this is set 1 dot add 79. Now you request for print, okay. Now the amended set 1, okay, set 1 having these values. So now you want to add 79. Now you run this code. Now what happened? 79 added at the end of the set. 79 added at the end of the true 10, 10.5, 79. Okay. So now we can simply say that as I have written the code like this set1 dot add, not two sets. Add method will not be used to add two sets. Okay. Add method used to add one item to a set. It doesn't mean sets are added. If you want to join the sets, we studied that union method we have to use. Okay. Next. So we were studying about the copy method. So copy method, what it does, try to understand copy method. Method means brackets. Okay. Method or function. Used to copy items of one set to another. Set to another. Okay. One set to another set. So here what happened? The syntax is what? Suppose I want to copy values of items of set1 to another set. Here another set is created. That set name is equal T. So I want to copy set1 values to this new set. Okay. So that moment copy method I need to give. Okay. Copy method. Then no any parameter. If you give the parameter here, like set2, it will give error. Okay. Understood that. So if you run this code, it asks for set.copy takes no arguments. Means copy method of any set will not, no arguments. It will not look for, so it will not, no any arguments will be taken. So remove this. So now all the values of set1 will be copied to this new variable. T is equal to new variable, it copies all the values of set1 to T. Then you request for print of that. So now what happened? Whatever the values of set1, what are the values set1? True 10, 10.5. Okay. They are true 10, 10.5. 79 why? Because you have add a value here. That's why. Yeah. No. That is the copy method. One more method, pop method. Okay. Pop method. Pop method to used to remove a an item or value, an item from a list, from a list. Sorry, list not set. Okay. So syntax is what? So if I want to remove an item, now here I have added 79. I want to remove from set1 after this 10.5 79 added. Now I want to remove 79. So syntax is what? Set1 dot pop method. Okay. Here you self means you pass the value. You want to remove 79. Okay. Now you take print out, print bracket 79. Okay. Now if you run this code, now you will get what? See. What happened? Print set1, na? Print set1. Now you will get the result by removing of type as set dot p takes no arguments. Okay. Set dot means this 79 I have given as the 79. So it is pop method. It will not request any arguments. So how to remove any item from the set. Pop method used to remove an item from a set. So now whenever you want to use set1 dot pop, so that moment you use one more set. Okay. Suppose S is a set. S is a variable. Now the removed this S is a variable which holds with the removed item. Pop set1 dot pop. Pop what 79. So now print S1. Yes, let us see what happened. It is giving error. So I have pop method used to remove an item from a set, an item from a set randomly. Randomly means, try to understand. Randomly means which item will be removed, we can't show. Okay. So set1 dot pop. Set1 dot pop. No any argument. If you give the argument, it will give the error like this. That moment remove the, no any argument will be given. Simply you use pop method. This pop method will remove an item from a set randomly. Which value will be removed, we can't be sure. Okay. What is set one? Where is set one? Set one has three values. Any value randomly can be removed. So after that, if you look for print, okay, yes, okay, this yes will having the new list, new value with new values. So now let us, it is executed. See what happened. It is looking for true. Is value we are getting, but I want to get the any one value that is to be removed from this list. Okay, true 10.10.5 and last true 10.579. But I want to get somewhat be removed from this. So what happened? Now whenever I use pop method, it randomly removes true value. True value from this set. Now, after that, you try to get print of set one. Okay. Now you will get uh, the list which is removed. Now true is removed. Now after removal of, after randomly this true is removed. Okay. Now this is printed. Okay. Now one more time, if you take S is equal set1 dot pop again. Okay. Now you look for print set1. So now let us see which value will be randomly removed. Now what happened? 10 is removed. Randomly 10 is removed, 10.5 and 79. Because here again I have used pop method. So one more value randomly 10 removed and the new list is printed. Okay. So pop method will be used to remove an item from a set randomly. Okay. This is the story. Next is what? Pop method, remove method, union method, update method. Update the set with the union of this set and clear. Finally, clear method removes all the elements from the list. Clear. This set dot clear. Simply